Welcome back to Smoke and Grill with Will. Tonight we're making baked Alfredo chicken with spaghetti noodles. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees. Spray the chicken with I can't believe it's not butter. And season with Dash chicken seasoning on both sides. Bake your chicken for 15 minutes at 350 degrees. Boil 1 box of Barilla protein spaghetti noodles for 10 minutes. Flip your chicken and bake for another 10 minutes. Drain your noodles and add 1 jar of Rayo's Alfredo sauce and mix together. Check the temperature of your chicken after it hits 165 degrees internal. It's done. Then plate your noodles and chicken. Cut your chicken. As you can see, it's tender and juicy. Here's the final product. For more videos like this, check out the other videos on my channel. We'll give it a try. It's good. Please like and subscribe.